M3 iPad Pro, Apple's thinnest device ever. As per reports, a new 2.9-inch iPad Air will also be launched with similar dimensions as that of iPad Pro. Since the spring event from the tech giant Apple is around the corner, in which the company would lift the veil off some of the most awaited products, note that the outstanding ones among them would be the latest models of iPads, which is Apple's first iPad launch in over a year. Although entire lineup of iPad's latest models would immediately take over the spotlight, but rumors and reports have specifically been surrounding the iPad Pro, suggesting the biggest design change after more than 6 years. Macworld reported that the thickness of the upcoming iPad Pro is sure to be diminished considerably thanks to the OLED display, which is allowing the company to shed almost 20% thickness of the gadget, making it one of the thinnest devices produced by Apple ever. 2024 iPad Pro display dimensions. The list below contains display dimensions of iPad Pro's 2022 model and the upcoming 2024 model. 11-inch iPad Pro 2022 247.6 mm x 178.5 mm x 5.9 mm. 11-inch iPad Pro 2024 249.7 mm x 177.5 mm x 5.1 mm. 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2022 280.6 mm x 214.9 mm x 6.4 mm. 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2024 281.5 mm x 215.5 mm x 5.0 mm. Ross Young, display supply chain consultant CP, reported in a post on X formerly that 11-inch iPad Pro will be slightly widened to 1.1 inches, whereas the 2.9-inch variant, which was tipped to broaden to 13 inches, will not experience any changes and remain at 2.9 inches. Moreover, it was also learned by the Elec, a separate firm based in Korea that greatly covers Apple's products, the 11-inch iPad Pro's display will be manufactured by Samsung, while the 2.9-inch display would come from LG. It has also been confirmed that a new 2.9-inch iPad Air will also be launched with similar dimensions as that of iPad Pro.